How y'all doing today? So today we got a little mini log Monday, and I'll be doing one of these little Brinks TSA locks that I have laying around. So let's see. She had a little 4-pinner. Pretty cool bit. I don't know how good my camera can focus, but let's see what we can do with it, yo. It's the 007. Dun dun dun. Alright, so let's see. Let's see if I can figure out which side I'm gonna hold it onto with. Alright, let's see if we can get in here. See if they try and go this way with it. Nothing. I'm terrible with this type of picking too. I don't know what number I'm on. I'm just clicking till it goes. That ain't working. Let's go this way. Switch sides. Alright, let's see. Nothing. Hey, there it is. Alright, so that's a pop. And go ahead and see if we can rake it while we're at it. Let's jump in here. See if we can find a good grip. Let's see if she'll rake, y'all. Use a little quint. Well, she definitely can rake. It is. Alright, well, that's all I got. Y'all have a good one.